Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and contact Instacart support? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So for example, let's say you're already in the website. All you need to do if you're already in the website to contact support is going to be by clicking on account right over here, scrolling all the way down, clicking on help center, and you're going to be right over here where you can simply go ahead and solve your problem through the support right over here. So adding a payment, add a modified tip, Instacart, how Instacart works, and a lot of things. Or you could also just click on continue with Instacart, and you can simply go ahead and just talk right here with the virtual assistant. And once your problem is identified, a real person is also going to be in contact with you. If you don't want to do it this way, you can simply go ahead and search for Instacart support just like that, and all you need to do is just click on contact us right over here, and finally you're going to be taken back to the same chat page where you can simply chat, or you could also call them directly at this number right here, which is 1-888-246-7822. Once again, 1-888-246-7822. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.